What up, YouTube? This is a video on the homemade blast cabinet that I made out of a washing machine. You can get a blast cabinet similar to this from Harbor Freight for like 150 bucks, I think. But I already had this washing machine sitting around, and all I had to buy was this piece of plexiglass, which I'm gonna make for the window, and then I had to buy these gloves for like $6. Then I bought this window screen material. So besides the actual blaster and the air compressor, this only cost me like 20 bucks. From that, I already had this light, and all I have left to do is put the plexiglass on and seal up any holes inside of here, and then I need to create some type of funnel system on all four sides of this that are gonna lead down probably into that box right there, so I can reuse the media, because it's kind of expensive, so I don't have to keep buying more. And also obviously to keep it cleaner in my shop here so it doesn't get everywhere. And then for the door, I want to try to extend the opening down to the bottom so it's not so hard. For example, to get this motor inside there, I don't want to have to, I don't know, I guess I could lift it up at this height, if that makes any sense. So anyways, I'll do another video once I'm done with this. Should be soon. And I have not done a video on either one of these bikes yet, so I'll do a quick introduction to these bikes that I'm working on. This is a 1985 Honda VF 700 Sabre. I got this for $200 off of the online ads. KSL. It's kind of like Craigslist, but for Utah. That's where I live. Here's the motor for that. I got it all ready to sandblast. Get all the black paint and crud off of it. And then this bike here is a Suzuki 1978 GS 750, and I got this the other day for 300 bucks. And I'm just kind of tearing into it, seeing what I need to do. So far, I got the carbs off; they're sitting over there. I need to go through the electrical, and I ordered a compression checker off of Amazon, so once that gets here, I'm gonna check all the compression for all the cylinders. If those are good, then I'm not gonna worry about tearing into the motor any further. And my plans for this bike, I'm probably gonna do a hardtail bobber. So I'll be getting rid of all of this, the shocks, all this piping, and there'll just be a bobber seat right here. New handlebars, a lot of new things actually. And my plans for this one is going to be more along the lines of a cafe racer. Probably follow the contour or the shape of that seat, or the bars right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully I'll be doing more videos as I progress with these two bikes, and I'll do another video once I finish the blast cabinet. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching.